What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Wanted to give my independent artists, indie artists, a little game real quick because a few of them had said things to me like, how do I get my music copyrighted? How do I get it where I own it? If someone steal it or steal a verse or something and I'm not worried about it. But what you do is after you get you a album put together or say a list of songs or archive together, turn them all in at one time. I think you can do up to 55 articles at one time, if I'm not mistaken. But I got my paper. I want to show it to you. They go to seal, and you see when I registered these, and down it shows you all the stuff that I got that I own, all the songs that I own, and it says title of work, and I named my title of work Live to Be Remembered. And I know you done seen the album probably on a few of my pages. It said Live to Be Remembered. I own that title, and I own all the records that went under that title. And actually, on the record that I released itself, all the songs that's not on there, that's under the title. But I was able to copyright all of the songs that I have already written, that I knew that was valuable, that I didn't want nobody to steal. And I know that was, that I still know that holds some potency. So I wanted to actually own it. So I paid for it, and it only cost me, I think I spent out of my own pocket personally, like 55, 60 bucks, maybe 75. And that was on getting everything together, mailing the paper off, and you can go all online. And I'm going to tell you where to go to. You go to copyright.gov. Copyright.gov. You go to copyright.gov, and it's going to guide you to what you need to do to get your music or your poetry or whatever it is that you're doing copyrighted, even your logo. Hold on.